in a dream when a footstep trot. Warlock man ride with the breath of God. Dread pug sniff out the spiral road. Them spirit bound anointed bold. Blue green horse them gallop and chant. Smoke hoof beat like an bingy rant. But one by one them start drop low. Serpents strike in a venomous flow. Serpent with a eye like flame. Mash up the herd, bring death and shame. Him say, me can't watch this madness spread. So him roll up the split for wait the dead. Cave on it high, the lion rise. Dread them blaze like Selassie eyes. Drive back through the, me nah go run. Spirit guide me through moon and sun. Pon them horse of holy green. Him ride deep in the mystic scene. Dread pug bark like dopey shout. Smoke part way, truth come out. Serpent coil in a shadow green. Spit pure lies and poison sin. Him say, you can't dwell where life them chant. And Warlock draw the line firm and gallant. To burn it high, the lion rise. Dread them blaze like Selassie eyes. Tribe of Judah, me nah go run. Spirit guide me through moon and sun. Horse them fall but the eyes still stand. Call pan Zion with lifted hand. Make the fire the eye man transform. Dread start twist take lion farm. For a fire, main a dread. Him roar make even serpent dread. Swipe cross scale, the beast get mashed. And slither away in a shadow flash. Now the serpent hide when no light now reach. Far from the field where the blue horse preach. Warlock puff slow, dread pug near. Still trodding through dream, now show no fear. Now ride through the dream. We're searching for Zion.